some near Bibri. You are for graphic.
Open graphic.
Cratafa Dusiana for Mammy.
Page 16. Maybe maybe page 19.
Some mechanic said, Sir, a bano for my music as someone. Yeah, my fan yenny I dear. Na yanka no kre kakra. Yes, no kre no ne beboa ama yanhu yenya isika no anwadro. Bami 1983. 1983. Na upese oto dollar ba ko a e diga na sika 2.75 ene to dollar ba ko. Ghana sika 2.75 cedis 1983 no ene uhwe we sika mu a me go mu de mo kan chere me ene Ghana sika mu no less than 1 peso ene de to dollar ba ko 1983 efi 1983 be pemu ne 26 years Now, over a period of 26 years, cedi no buono akofom, the depreciation of the cedi more than 30,000%. Me bua mun kan try me. Now, cedi na akofom 30,000% over a period of 26 years from 1983 till now. Anyenye biara se ye kan kra John Mahama na Dubai. Anyenye biara se ye kan kra Nana Akufo-Addo na Dubai. Aden na mo haya sa. Ensem wan hu hia. Masa cedi na akofom no ene ye ka asem betumi aka se ya ban no a wo so ndem. Ye born so mo se wo mo bae no wo nye bibia na ensesa na enti a cedi no buo no ekofom. But you cannot blame the government for the depreciation of the cedi. You cannot blame Mahama administration for the depreciation of the cedi. Abai mienu na no mo kasa mafo na ka kire me ate asese. Cedi na ne buo no efomo na ekọ no. Eye ne omo kan puto kasa mu fundamental structural defects. Ena ma cedi no ebuo no efomo na ekọ. Abai mienu na ka kire se Adienti asidi no buo no ekofom eye nneoma be miensa edikan Ghana nneoma yehia ediboye bra seduane senduro senfidie ni ade no yenye bi wo ye mamu ha ye kra na se ubi bia wo hia wo mamu no wo kra na odi ba ebema wo sidi no buo no akofom mo na mo ka kire ntafe ade na mo ha ye dwa ya ha ye sa eni nsema mo kika Anyebiara over the last 2 years, some fundamental structural defect of the economy. Asisa, and then you feed here where memono, yan ye, and then you still the sin there. Ghana, the largest importer of tomato paste from Germany and so on. And then the sin there, tuma fra. Ya de pamuta de shani ade dudu no ya kraba nti wenum na masika no over a period of 26 years are depreciated by more than 30,000%. Nti ya kasa no kreya kebeboa ye ema yenya anwadru eso ye nka wutie NDC no kasa o se aban we na akofa sa ayi abetu ye so with the NPP in Okasa, or said John Mahama na Dubai. How can that be true? We should look for the true causes of the depreciation of the city. Microphone, I have a crack.
Pacho, one place microphone, man. I depreciate it.
On them, sir. And it must have some na ye kikano. In Jaika. The Jaika, Quebec, papa. The fundamental causes of the depreciation of the currency. We are jai near Master Kwame Pacho me baby and some kakra.
Meet you.
On my ben pa the way we are saying.
Crazy quick one, 36 years, okay, I said 26.
36 that's so 1983 to 2019. The arithmetic in the man into 36 years. Now, Master Kwame, Mr. Bisa. O my ben pa na nisika lose value. O mine one of the major sources of foreign exchange. Mining. Now, you sign foreign exchange retention agreement with mining companies. Yama won kwan se wo mu de. Wo mu ebetu go de fiye memu ha. No mu de kwama no no mu koton wa. Emu sika ombeja no, emu 98% no, they can keep it to foreign banks. Ebe den we sika no empaska. O man ben ye wo mu a ye wo sa guarantees for the repatriation of profits. Ni sika no end value. O man ben ye wo mu a we call restaurant now didi we cry toothpick no cry ye crayfish South Africa ni sika no end value. These are the fundamental causes of the problem. Na anopei minia kokofu akasa na we say IMF for ejai kwan na almost $185.2 million in ejai kwan na wakansem bebre minia tie IMF Deputy Managing Director and Chair of Ghana's Review Program, a friend of Tauzan Nasamwa Walker. Was it way graphic Kratafa du Insia? Was it Mr. Tauzan warned that the country's reliance on foreign investors would increase its exposure to exchange rate risk? The battery must say the same. Ghana recently bagged $3 billion in Eurobond, a sovereign debt denominated in foreign currency other than the issuing of the country's currency, mainly to finance its budget and service existing bonds. But the IMF has warned that the country is at a high risk of external debt distress, as it has debt to gross domestic product ratio of 67.1%. Theo, debt collateralization and revenue monetization should be limited to avoid encumbering revenue. Planned infrastructure projects should be transparently managed, be consistent with debt sustainability, and ensure value for money with caution. Mr. Zan commended the government for strengthening the banking sector, which had been a major risk to the country, and expressed the hope that the reforms would ensure cheaper credit to households. It's clear. CDR finishing. Yeah, no, fitty. Debia see the finish. I see $1 in boom near fan stabilizing. Yeah. It hasn't produced any result. Meaning the last week mutie opening Kwame PNM. I say, look, it will not resolve the problem, and that we cannot continue using the same methods to expect different results.
And so somebody among your 17 be abanasa.
Kwame, I make a Bibia Koya Manose. Ora Kwame PNM. I say you cannot use the same methods and expect the same result, the different results. Oh, no, Michelle. Why? President Nelson Bresso, okay, I say could do maybe an acid na at free. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know more.
President Mahama Bresso.
No, President Mills.
But I came into President Mahama Bresso.
See, the net free. I don't know more. I'm compared dollars to Mushi Boom and stabilize it. And then answer na meet Professor Gachi. Professor Gachi has a man worker. I say, oh, yeah, the cities, yeah, the dollars ni gumwa. The city will stabilize around 5 cedis per dollar. Acha within 4 months, the depreciation will start again. The solution to this problem, first of all, city, the value of the city, an issue of economic policy and implementation of economic policy, an issue of trade trade? You get you didn't say and so on. You know, do we balance of trade and so on? That's the issue. Issue of whether or not we are reliant on foreign goods for our survival and so on. Those are the issues which will stabilize the city or allow the city to fall recklessly and so on. Now, I see a dream who ye pa, and let the concrete American. Mahu Bibia, a Green Street, I bought Green Street, Aka. And also, I'm saying about Papa. I did something like Green Street, Aka. I say, Maya, you woman, you be beera, ye tone. The factories are the dear no mama ye tony na. I need a gun. A better than yet we are stabilizing Isika. A better than it me stabilizing Isika. I did you have Mishimwa Namiraho. Share and Negana, a higher way. A year Cocoa Research Institute. 1 more year, and no baby, Omudi Cocoa, ye no baby. I did back home with the Cocoa, your partner, Samina, toilet soap, 1 more year Samina. Master, Samina, so quabruchra, and so talk, will be a pebia tokeke. On them, Jim. Samina, who Cocoa Research Institute, almost Sika would be expanding on production, 1 more.
Crazy.
The last time I met us, I cocoa soup were London Abontin soup. They £2 per cake. Or so. Wukwa Bruchra, high-end cosmetic shops and a tongue Ghana made cocoa soup. And Kofoba Befano, a small gold deco, Ebefa, Eco tongue, and a home faso. I didn't Yema Cocoa Research Institute Sika, no more fine yan duo, no more exporters and a beya, a bebuama Isikano, enya baby pa, a jan. Mazanim, minim se munima. But me Cocoa Research Institute my follow on pa. One more cocoa brandy. You open minus one be pair.
Cocoa nyom ya ena mabibe Craig Waterfall.
Exactly. Omu dibia a brandy, omu dibia a whiskey, omu dibia a gin and so on. Now is the 24th me feel a trauma ma diachi.
Of course, Safibia.
And one ya you ka crack. Maza. And penny for diplomas na the no banas one benum brandy na. Almost it's one of the best brandies you can get in the world. But only your problem. You do rubber bottle with red cover. What would it take to design? You can't say to design a pintuabia, a attractive and so on.
Raw cocoa bean.
So that we can export it. Oh, a yansa we takai. Oh, to another takai, bottle takai. Oh, to another crowd and yajike. Oh, effect and so on. Say the cocoa brandy, cocoa gin near the Gusan Twemu, and you're in a camera and an export promotion council for exhibitions and so on. Can you imagine the revenue we'll get? And then we call Russia, one of their biggest exports and so on. I have vodka. Me bois vodka didn't half a name vodka again. On them said, ye chain vodka. Eso ye dear no Ghana hapo ye nim na kwamona ni no bia koto. Mintia se. Masa fisi ya wo me amani ti ya me hu wiase. Exhibition bie ni wa ya ye ni wiase ha. Golden Tree chocolate ya ni Ghana ha kwa. Yenya first me hu bi da kwa me mo me. Eti adentina ubeko ye filling stations near the chocolate oho na imported. So be hu Golden Tree akotobia. This a car kwan ho. This a car kwan na nkofo put in boxes and so on. Edi na high. World acclaimed best chocolate. Wouldn't say Japan for started a chocolate. Wouldn't say on friend Ghana chocolate. Because Ghana no ya jidin in the manufacture of chocolate and so on. In Japan for na Ghana chocolate in our name one more export to.
Kwesi iti enye.
Kwame na say san e be na dia. Esia na yenuanum MPP for ba. Almost yo Mahama Ekoro ye ni ya ka yen produce am pempensu. yẹn nu anum ndc for ba ọmọ si npp for na akọ problem no problem ni deɛ obi ntumi ntrase yɛn de sa deɛ ni ɛbɛtena mu sa forever because we are not really discussing the problem itself what is causing the problem ɔnum kyɛn no why hwɛ ghana ha ayɛ wo ɛnkyɛn bia bɛyɛ dapɛ mmienu na kwame yɛbaa wo studio ha wokae ɛne mps mmienu asɛm bɛn na yɛbɛka no saa daa no ɛnɛ nea aba ne sɛ wokɔ yɛ kura se yɛ rural areas ne adeɛ big rubber companies aba wɔn de cocoa na no mu twa gu no mu dua rubber pablo ka sa asɛm na yɛbɛka no ha
last Tuesday
adeɛ nti na sɛ rubber no ɛho wɔ mfasoɔ ma yɛ ne sɛ pɛsɛ yɛdua rubber adeɛ na sɛ yɛsɛe cocoa ansa na yɛtumi adua rubber ɛnɛ cocoa kuafoɔ nyinaa wɔn ne dɛm nsu meanwhile cocoa is supposed to be one of your major foreign exchange earners saa 800 million yɛ yɛkɔ hwɛ gu mu de stabilize cedi saa 800 million no from what I'm hearing a lot of it yɛ cocoa receipts and so on ɛso cocoa yi twaa ne yɛtwa gu cocoa yi we are not doing value addition to cocoa ɛbɛyɛ dɛn ɛne yɛ sika no gyina yie na sisi ha no cedi no ɛkɔyɛ akɔdu 5.8 the last time I checked 5.8 to $1 abafo me check here na ba 5.2 ɛnu me check here na ba 5.2
4.9
there be a man 4.9 enra bank
na wa check it
empacho enra bank close 5.19
tineme say 4.95
Kokofu away
Prudential Bank check it
enra empacho bank close 5.19 enra
Anna
asad 4:45 p.m. na bank close 5.19
German general
enti efeni eba be hwe opening efeni about 10 enti ebe hwe opening
and to hwe open no obenya 4.95 Prudential Bank ekutu
okay ni America ni say eba for kura masa ni America ni say measures are implementing in another 4-5 months no ebe start PW that's the point I'm making
ebe do on export drive now can
masa kwa me medimanu be see here